Okay, now question 6, test 4, module 1. Okay, the following text, okay, is from the 1923 poem Black Finger by Angelina Weld Grimke. Black, and mentioning the word black is important. Okay, a cypress is a type of evergreen tree, so this is a kind of tree is called cypress. So let's read the poem line by line. Okay. Line 1. I have just seen the most beautiful thing. So he's saying here the speaker has just witnessed, has just seen something she finds so beautiful, very beautiful and moving. Okay, so let's go. Slim, like thin and tall. Okay, so the object she's watching right now is slim, is thin and still. Still means quiet. It's motionless. Okay, it's motionless, doesn't move. Against a gold sky. So I think the word against here means in the front of, يعني the background of this للحاجة اللي هتفرج عليها. The background is gold sky. So you're setting the scene. This is somewhat setting the scene. You're watching like a tree. Okay, this cypress tree, this beautiful thing. The tree is tall. The tree is motionless. Okay, في الباك of the tree as if حضرتك you're painting, as if you're painting a picture. يعني if I can draw, I would draw it like this. طبعا ايه يعني السيبرس tree بتبقى طالعة كده شوية. Okay, this is cypress. Don't laugh for my painting. I'm a lousy painter. وفي الباك I think you have the sky up there, gold sky with the sun. Okay, a straight black cypress. Okay, here we are. ده اللي هو كان بيتفرج عليه. This is what he's watching. This cypress tree. حضرتك ممكن you can type the word cypress وحضرتك you can see it يعني. Okay, the SET is a great chance to enrich your knowledge. زود معلوماتك كده. Okay, sensitive. This is a metaphor. Sensitivity, this is for people only. So this is a personification. He's treating the cypress tree as if it's a person. As if it's a person who can feel. So sensitive, so delicate, so easily affected. Okay, so exquisite. It's not beautiful only, it's exquisite. Exquisite means extremely beautiful. More than beautiful, so beautiful. Okay, perfectly beautiful. A black finger. Okay, black finger, again, this is a metaphor. He's describing the tree, comparing it to a black finger. Okay, this is what he chose, black finger. He compared this cypress tree to a black finger. Maybe black, maybe because the poet itself is black. Okay, and remember this is 1923, it's very old. So a black finger pointing upward, as if هنا الtree فيها black finger و pointing up. عشان كده لما جيت عملت الtree أنا عملتها up, as if it's a black finger pointing upward to the sky, and then ask the question, why? Why beautiful? Why beautiful still finger are you black? Then he asked this philosophical question. Why does this symbol of beauty, this tree, which is very beautiful, is black? That means that black is a symbol of beauty. Maybe this is what she meant. The tree is compared to a black finger, and this tree and this black finger is so beautiful. So black things can be beautiful. So why are you black? That's the question. Okay, and why are you pointing upward? And then she asked this question, why the tree is pointing upward. This is deep reflection. She's thinking Liba tree. Okay, the overall structure. يلا بينا. Which choice best describe the overall structure? Okay, for question A, the poet assesses like examines, judges, evaluates. Okay, a natural phenomenon. Okay, هي بتأسس, هي بتevaluate ظاهرة طبيعية. Then question, the word question means doubted. هي شكت. The accuracy of this assessment. طبعا this is wrong. يعني the other part, she never doubted the accuracy of her assessment. يعني ده معناه ايه؟ ان الاسسمنت بتاعها, ان الجادجمنت بتاعها incorrect. ان كلامها وتقديرها وان الايفالويت بتاعها للناتشرال فينومينون دي. ممكن ناتشرال فينومينون كان جوه على فكره، ناتشرال فينومينون يس ذا تري، البارت الاولاني كان ناتشرال فينومينون. خد بالك من بعد ذن ان ده الستراكشر يعني ايه، يعني هي متقسمه ازاي، هاو ات از ديفايدد. اتكلم ايه الاول، اتكلم ايه تاني، اتكلم ايه تالت، اتكلم ازاي، عمل ايه الستراكشر، هاو ات از، ازاي بناها، ازاي حضرتك بتبني بيت، how did you build it. اول ما بدخل بيبقى فيه ايه، في صاله and then you have reception then you have whatever. ده الترتيب، الاورجنايزيشن. You started with natural phenomenon, yes, but he didn't doubt anything. He didn't doubt it. Okay, so it's not A. The speaker described a distinctive like special, something distinctive, something special, something easily noticed. حاجة distinctive, حاجة easily noticed. So he describes it. I like the word describes. Yes, he didn't assess, he described. He didn't assess, he didn't evaluate. Okay, to some extent. ولكن he described a site, a special site, in an easily noticed site, a cypress tree. Then عمل ايه؟ ponders. قلنا ponders يعني ايه؟ يعني thinks deeply about the meaning to attribute to that site. Okay, to attribute means يعني a reason, the reason to that site. فاكرين لما قال ان هي she's like a finger and then she's pointing up. Okay, فهو he ponders what meaning, what does that mean, pointing upward, what does that mean. Okay, so I think we can put a B كده نحط عليه question mark. Okay, C, we can look for it. The speaker present an outdoor scene. Okay, I can go with that. Okay, outdoor, بيوصف outdoor scene. Then considers, okay, considers a human behavior occurring within that scene. No human behavior is mentioned. ما كانش فيه human behavior في القصة. Okay, كل حاجة described a scene, the cypress tree, and then she asked a question concerning a cypress. D, the speaker examines her surroundings يعني what's around her. Okay, then speculates يعني guesses. هي بدأت تخمن, she guesses. Okay, wonders about their influence in her emotional state. Again, the speaker is not focused on her emotional state. Her feelings ما اتقالتش. Okay, كل حكاية she's trying to understand the meaning of the fingers pointing up. That's it. شوف, so simple. So I'll go for I think it's not D, so it's B then. Okay, thank you. If you have any question, don't hesitate. Please send me a comment. Don't forget to share the videos. Don't forget to like it. Okay, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's go to the next question. I hope you are enjoying it. Let's go.